आज के इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे ट्रेजर चेस्ट बुक के वर्कबुक आंसर्स को। टॉपिक है व्हेन ग्रेट ट्री फॉल्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहले पढ़ेंगे एमसीक्यू को और फिर उसके बाद आते हैं पैसेज के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच एक्सटेंडेड मेटाफर यूज इन द पोएम? आंसर है द फॉलिंग ऑफ ग्रेट ट्री। सेकेंड, व्हेन डू एनिमल्स सीक सेफ्टी? जानवर सुरक्षा कब ढूंढते हैं? आंसर, व्हेन ग्रेट ट्री फॉल, जब बड़े पेड़ गिरते हैं। थर्ड, विच पॉजिटिव इवेंट हैपन्स व्हेन ग्रेट मैन डाई? आंसर, our memory is suddenly sharpened. Fourth, in what state are we thrown suddenly when we hear about the death of great soul? Answer is C, option C, sorrowful. Fifth question, what do great men generally care for? Answer, our souls. Sixth, the face dark cold caves symbolized in the poem. Answer is despair. Seventh, what happened to our soul on hearing the news of great men who have impacted our life greatly? Answer is, our soul shrivel. Question 8, which figure of speech is used in the line we can be and be? Alliteration. Alliteration मतलब repetition of word. Next है, which of these statements is not true? Answer is, when great tree falls, small animal do not bother. 10th, the poem when great tree fall is on the whole, answer is realistic and positive. Passage first, question number 1. What does great tree represent in the poem? Answer, great trees represent important or great people who have a big impact on our lives. Second question, what does the shuddering of rock on distant hill symbolize? Answer, the shuddering of rock on distant hill symbolize how the loss of important people affect everyone, even those who far away. Third question, how do animals behave when great tree fall and why? Answer, when great tree fall, lion hide in the tall grass, elephant move to safety. This so that when important people die, everyone feel scared and look for safety. Question 4, what happened to small thing when great tree fall? Answer, small thing become silent, overwhelmed, showing how even the small creature feel the loss. Fifth question, which word is used in the extract give us the idea that the fall of the great tree impact all? The words shudder, hunker down, lumber after safety, so that the fall of great tree affect everyone and everything. Second passage, question first, what does the fall of great tree symbolize in the poem? The fall of the great tree symbolize the death of the great or important people in our life. Second, what happened to big animal when great tree fall? Big animal like lion and elephant seek safety and become courteous, showing how the loss of important people make everyone feel vulnerable and scared. What happened to small things when great tree fall? Small thing become silent, overwhelmed, showing the event that some smallest and the most insignificant beings are affected by the loss. Explain the meaning of their sense eroded beyond fear. Their answer है, their senses eroded beyond fear means that the small things are so deeply affected and shocked by the loss that they cannot even feel fear anymore. They are numb and overwhelmed. Fifth question, when great men die, what kind of clarity do we have all of sudden? Answer, when great men die, we suddenly have a hurtful clarity. This means we clearly see and understand the impact of their loss and realize the important things we missed or left unsaid, causing us pain and regret. Passage 3, question first, what image from the world of nature has been used earlier in the context? Answer है, earlier in the poem, the image of great tree falls in forest has been used to symbolize the death of important or great people. Question number 2, what happens when great tree falls? When great trees falls, rock on distance distant hills shudder. Lion hide in a tall grass, elephant seek safety, and small creature become silent and overwhelmed. This symbolizes the widespread impact and disturbance caused by the loss of great people. Third, we breathe briefly. What does the poet mean by this? Answer is the poet means that when great souls die, we momentarily struggle to breathe normally because of the shock and emotional impact of their death. Fourth question, what kind of clarity does the poet refer to? Answer is the poet refers to a heartful clarity, which means that we suddenly see and understand the significance of the loss very clearly, and it causes us emotional pain and regret. Fifth, what do we come to remember when great men die? When great men die, we come to remember that the valuable moment we share with them, the kind words we did not say, and the promise we did not fulfill. This sharpens our memory and often fills us with regret to miss opportunities. Passage 4, question first. What happened when great tree fall according to the poet? Answer. When great tree fall, it causes a ripple effect felt by everyone and everything around them. It symbolizes the widespread impact of losing important people. Second, why does it become difficult to breathe when great souls die? Answer. It becomes hard to breathe when great souls die because their absence creates a deep emotional shock and emptiness. The air metamorphically feels light, rare, and sterile, making it difficult to find comfort. Third question: what do we suddenly remember when great soul die? When great soul die, we suddenly remember the kind word we never said, the promise of movement we never share with them. Their death make us realize missed opportunities. Fourth, in what state of mind is the speaker here? The speaker is in reflective and sorrowful state of mind. They are thinking deeply about the thing left unsaid and the moment they never got to experience with the departed soul. Passage 5, question first. What does the fall of great tree symbolize in the poem as suggested earlier in the context? The fall of great trees symbolizes the death of significant or important individual, representing how their absence causes a profound impact and disruption. Second, what do we remember when great souls die? Answer: when great souls die, we remember the nurturing and impact moment that they share with us. We recall the guidance, wisdom, and support they provide during their presence. Third question, what happened to our reality when great souls die? Our reality, which is deeply connected to and influenced by the great soul, feels a sense of loss, detachment when they die. Their absence changes our perception of the world around us. Fourth, what does the poet mean by visioned soul here? By visioned soul, the poet means that our soul becomes shriveled and diminished in their vitality and strength. The loss of great soul leave us feeling spirituality weakened or diminished. What does the word nurture suggest in the context? The word nurture suggests the care, support, influence the great soul provide to nurture our soul and mind. It implies a positive, enriched impact on our growth and development. Passage number 6. Question first. How has the poet compared the world of nature with the human world earlier in the context? Answer. Earlier in the poem, the poet compared the falling of great tree in the forest to the impact of great soul dying. This comparison shows us how nature reactions reflect human emotion and reaction to loss. Second question, what happened when someone emotionally attached to us departed forever? When someone we are emotionally attached to departed forever, we feel a deep sense of loss and emptiness. Their absence leave us feeling emotionally shaken and struggling to cope with their absence. Third question, how are our mind affected by great soul? Answer is great soul shape and enlighten our mind with their wisdom and influence. They inspire us, broaden our perspective, and contribute significant to our intellectual and emotional growth. Fourth question, in what state of mind are we thrown when great soul die? Answer है, when great soul die, we are thrown into a state of deep sadness and introspection. We grapple with grief and a sense of disbelief, reflecting deeply on their impact on our life and the lesson they are taught us. Question number 5. Explain the reference to the ignorance of dark, cold caves. The reference to ignorance of dark, cold cave metaphorically describe the state of confusion and emotional darkness we experience when great souls die. It symbolizes the loss of clarity, wisdom, and guidance they provided, leave us feeling lost and without direction. Passage 7. Question 1. What is suggested by the fall of great tree earlier in the context? Answer. The fall of great tree suggests the significant impact and disruption caused by the death of important individual, much like how we feel when great soul pass away. Second, how do we feel when great men die? When great men die, we feel deep sadness and a sense of loss. Their absence leave us grieving and reflecting on their influence in our life. Third question, how does the poet portray time as a healer here? Answer. The poet saw that our time peace gradually return after the death of great soul. This indicates that as time passes, the intensity of grief lessen and we start to find comfort and healing. Fourth question, what kind of speech are refers to here? The species refers to the emotionally gap or emptiness left by the departure of great soul. This space initially feel filled with sorrow and mourning. Fifth question, how do we feel during these spaces? Answer. During those spaces, we experience a soothing electric vibration, suggesting a gentle and comforting energy fill the emotional voids left by those who have passed away. It indicates that despite the loss, there is a gradual return to emotional peace and stability. Passage number 8. Question first, how do we feel when person attached to us die? Answer. When someone we are attached to die, we feel deeply sad and miss them greatly. We think about the impact they had on our lives. Second, when do we feel at peace when great soul die? We start to feel peace gradually over time, although it does not happen in a predictable or regular way. Third question, how do our sense never achieve the former state of normally after the death of great soul? Answer is, our sense are forever changed because of the sadness and the absence of those great souls who impact us deeply. Fourth question, what is the significance of repetition of word in line third and fourth? The repetition of they existed emphasize the presence and influence of the departed soul were real and meaningful. It reminds us of their existence and impact. Fifth question, how is the ending of the poem positive? Answer, the ending of the poem is positive because it encourages us to improve ourselves because of the existence and influence of great soul. It inspires us to strive for a better life and world because of their legacy.